Okay, let's see how to make a stuttering glitchy effect, keyboard or for any type of sound using LFOs. For this example, we're going to use Tyrell N6. This is a free synthesizer, really great stuff. You can download for free and check it out what we do and follow us. So right here is the default patch. Right now we have two oscillators. Let's turn down oscillator 2, just to use one to keep it simple. Nice. Here we have the matrix. I'm going to target the matrix to go to oscillator 1 by just dragging it. And then I'm going to take the target and use the LFO. Let's turn it up. Let's listen. Nothing happened. For some weird reason, this specific synth, you have to turn down the depth mode. Then you can start hearing it. Let's do that. Nice. So right now, it's set to triangle, and here's the speed. You can speed it up if you want. But let's set it to like random. Let's do random glide. Just do faster. Nice. Let's turn it down. So excellent. Let's also change the restart of each note LFO. Let's do it random. Slow it down a tiny bit. Nice. Let's do the same to oscillator 2 with the LFO. Let's set to a square, we can hear it. Nice, a really cool swarm of oscillators, saw, and squares. Now you can do this with any synth. Just map a LFO, a random LFO to the volume. Create some really cool stuff. Catch you next time.